Hello, welcome back. Let's talk about a little more on tuples today. Well, let me just take a variable called my tuple, right? And just wanted to open the brackets here and say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, oh, I need one need to be very careful like before giving the variable. Like here, it should be an underscore, right? Now, the tuple is assigned to a variable called my tuple. Now, if I just wanted to assign a new variable, let me just say new underscore tuple, right? And say that I just wanted to access something from my tuple. So I just use this my tuple from here and then I'll just slice the index from 1 to 2. Alright. Now, if I just wanted to use the print function and give the variable as new tuple, I get 2 and it's separated by a comma, right? So anything that gets sliced here in new tuple, that is going to display as a tuple, right? Now suppose if I just wanted to give something called maybe 1 from 4, 1 till 4. So let us see what we'll get. So we'll get a tuple of 2, 3 and 4, which is similar to a list. All right. Now I just wanted to try something here. Maybe I just wanted to use another variable called x, which is equal to my tuple. I just wanted to access the indexing like in list. All right, which is like let me just use print function here and say x. So I get 1. That means the indexing at 0 is 1. All right. Similarly, I just wanted to go for some other variable, say y. This time I just wanted to access something. Uh, maybe maybe I just wanted to go for something like um, maybe like let me just say a variables called a, b, c, and say that uh, others, right? Which is equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like this, right? Now, what do you think I'll get if I execute print EA? It is a 1. If I use print B, it will be 2. But if I wanted to execute others, it's going to give the list of others. Sorry, I need to use S, right? So I just got the um, other variables right in the tuple, which is 4, 5, 6, 7. So just like in list, we can also access these variables like this. All right. Now this is pretty interesting. Like in list, we have various number of methods, right? But here in um, but here in tuple, we just wanted to see that how many methods we have. Luckily, we have very little actually. Like we have only two methods here. One is indexing and the other one is a count, right? Now, uh, let me cancel out this line. Now, if I just wanted to go for something like, I just wanted to check how many items are there in the like, there are list of items in the tuple, right? So I just wanted to check how many items are there, how many numbers of 5 items are there in the tuple. So I can just use my tuple variable here and just use this dot method and say that count. I just wanted to check how many fives are there. So it just simply displays a 5 here. If I wanted to put here two more fives, let me just come here and execute this time. So there are 3 fives are there in this my tuple. All right. This is one kind of method, and the final method we have is just I can just use my tuple variable, and I can use the dot notation, and then this time I just wanted to see the index of uh, 4, right? Maybe I just wanted to see index of 4. Let me just see. Oh, why is it this? My tuple dot index of 4. Why is a built-in function or method is not subscriptable? Let us see why this error. Okay, let me just do this way. All right, so I just made a wrong parenthesis there. All right, now I just got 3. That means index of 4 is at, you can say that 0, 1, 2, 3. It is at third index. The number 4 is at third index. All right, now I can also use something like in a list. I can also go for like a print length of, I can just say that my tuple, right? So I can just simply say like this. So now I got 5, I got 7 here, right? Because there are 7 items in my tuple: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that is about a tuple. Remember one thing, one final thing. Tuples are immutable and lists are immutable, like I said in the earlier videos. All right, we'll see you in the next video.